So we've got the Ring here, video doorbell that we're going to install today. And as you can see, it comes with a lot of little goodies. This is the actual apparatus, and it comes with all the things we need to install it. Even a screwdriver. It's got the anchors and the screws, different types of screws. So even has screws for stucco or brick, which are that's pretty neat. One thing I like, it even has a little level that you can just kind of pop in here to check for the level of the doorbell. And we do have a stucco wall. Here's the box as well that everything came in. So we do have a stucco wall, and apparently it's easy to just install this and attach this to the stucco wall. And I think I'm going to do that, but it also comes with this adapter plate, and this adapter plate is meant for if you have the situation where you had an older ring. This newer ring attaches to, I believe, different holes. Actually, I believe it's like this. It attaches to these 4 holes. The adapter plate is meant for if you had an older ring that used, I guess, different holes. So I think what I'm going to do is use this adapter plate, even though I don't necessarily need it, use it so that I have a little more clearance between the ring unit and the stucco wall. So that's what I'm going to do. So the ring unit is going to attach just like so, and you know, actually it would be totally fine to attach it like that. There are 2 holes here on the left and 2 holes here on the right, and as I mentioned before, there's a nice little level that goes right in here to make sure that the unit is level. I think I'd like to try the mounting plate just to give me a little more space between the stucco and the ring unit. Even though the mounting plate has to be flush to the wall, I think it's going to give me a little bit more space when it comes to some of these kind of craggly areas here in the middle. And you know, I did sand down a little bit of this stucco here just to make it a little flatter. So I'm going to actually attempt to use the mounting plate first and go from there. So here I have the mounting plate. I'm just kind of mocking it up to see what it would look like. So it's not attached or anything, and it's not going to take away from the look or the flushness of the unit to the stucco wall. Actually, I think I'm going to do this. I'm going to then actually drill the holes that correspond to the mounting plate, not necessarily the ring unit. So I drilled the holes and put in the anchors. I was definitely being a little anal about it, and I used their little level instead of taking out my own level. But this is basically what it's going to look like so. And in my hand is the handy dandy screwdriver that comes with this thing, so I think that's pretty cool. So I'm going to install this mounting plate and go from there. So here you go. Just mock installed the mounting plate. It's not fully installed. And one thing I need to make clear is that these holes are these holes that attach the ring unit to the mounting plate are lower. See that? They're not uniformly all the way over here, so you need to make sure when you put the mounting plate that you're not putting it upside down. So it's going to install like so, okay? And one thing I'm going to do is just check the level right now before I tighten everything up. Check the level of the mounting plate. It's definitely off, so what I'm going to do is kind of loosen it up and just kind of twist it just a little bit so it's a little bit more level. I think it should be easy to do, and go from there. So this is what I was kind of hoping for, that I could have a little bit of leeway with the mounting plate even on stucco. So I was able to just kind of unscrew the mounting plate, loosen it up, and keep it a little bit more level. So it's not 100% level, but I think that'll be pretty good. And now I'm going to attach the ring unit. And here, folks, is what I was really looking for. I was hoping that with the mounting plate attached to the wall and then the ring unit attached to the mounting plate, I would have a little bit more leeway to make it level. Using stucco, especially such even surface, it can be tricky to get this unit level. And so there you have it. You can stick in that handy dandy level into the ring itself, and we've got pretty good level there. So I'm happy with that. This is what I was hoping for, and I'm glad it happened. So as you can tell, the mounting unit attached to the wall and the ring unit screws here and here, and then screws here and here attached to the mounting unit. And as you can see, I got a little more leeway here and was able to get a little more level. So I'm actually pretty happy with that. Now it needs to have a cover attached to it, and off we go.